Hi, I'm Henrietta. For today's Crafty Kids, we are going to take a milk carton and we're going to create a bird feeder. You can use the recycle milk carton. We're going to take a milk carton and you're going to use a simple cap and we're going to trace it on the milk carton, and then we're going to cut it out, and then we're going to cover the milk carton with white paint, and then from there you can create whatever color you want to use as your bird feeder. You can also make additional little tiny openings. You can do it on all four sides. Another option is you can cut the little round circle off, or you can just use it to cover another cap over it. And if you want to make a roofing for it, you're going to take some Crafty sticks and you're going to create a little roofing for it. Like here, a sample that I did, I put some Crafty sticks, colored it, and made like a roof over it. And then you can create a design. Here I did a green and a light blue, and I decorated and put some trees around it. And then you also can get some little tiny sticks from your tree, and you can use these to create and stick it in the milk carton, so when the bird comes, they can basically sit on the stick here. So you can do all four sides, or you can just do one side like I did here. So there's all different options that you can design your own bird feeder. Thank you for joining me today for Crafty Kids. Please share your birdhouse that you created. Take a picture of it and put it in our comment section. I hope you enjoyed today's craft. Again, my name is Henrietta. And also, if you have any suggestions for me to do a craft, please let me know, and we will see you next time.